This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. National Water Commission workers remained off the job for a second consecutive day as they continued their industrial action over compensation issues. As a result, the Jamaica Defense Force was activated to restore critical supplies to facilities such as hospitals, schools, and other essential services. In the meantime, Prime Minister Andrew Holness appealed to NWC workers to return to work and restore water supplies across the country, saying steady progress was being made in negotiations and there was no need for the public to be deprived of the commodity. Labour Minister Karl Samuda, who told the nation on Tuesday that water was restored in large part following talks with the unions representing workers at the National Water Commission, has now said he was given faulty information. Samuda made this admission Wednesday afternoon in the House of Representatives as taps continued to run dry and some schools were forced to ask parents to keep their children at home. On Tuesday, while addressing the Parliament, Samuda spoke to ongoing talks to resolve the issue of strike action taken by NWC employees following a meeting at his North Street offices. At least 3 health centers in Hanover are on the verge of shuttering their doors as a result of the ongoing strike by NWC. The affected locations are Sandy Bay, K Valley, and Logwood Health Centers. Dr. Kaushal Singh, the medical officer of Health for Hanover, told ORAP on Wednesday that attempts to get water to these centers have been unsuccessful. While the health centers have tanks, he said those resources were depleted by the end of day on Tuesday. There was a fire scare at the towers in New Kingston on Wednesday which forced the evacuation of the building. However, firefighters who were called to the scene said the scare was brought on by a malfunctioning elevator which has now been rendered out of service. According to the firefighters, smoke was seen coming from the service elevator in the building. The elevator was said to be experiencing hardware problems. There were no reported injuries. And in sports, Jamaican middle distance junior runner Javon Blake has accepted a scholarship to attend Dartmouth College in the United States. The university's track and field team announced Wednesday via Instagram as they welcomed him to the Big Green family. The Jamaica College captain has been in tremendous form all season, winning the boys Class 1 800 and 1500 meter combination at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships in mid-April and the Carifta Games Under-20 double a week later. He wrapped up his high school career by leading the Jamaica College 4x800 meter team to victory in the High School Boys Championships of America's final at the 126th staging of the Penn Relays Carnival at Franklin Field in Philadelphia, running 7.28 minutes, the 3rd fastest time ever at the event. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.